Hey, it's Amia Renee. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing a try on haul with a couple items I've been collecting for the last couple of weeks. I haven't had a chance to wear, so I said why not just throw it on, put a little outfit together and show y'all what I got. Some of my items are from Shein, H&M, other places like that. The only item I have not shown y'all that I purchased, I have on a strapless bra because I have a lot of off the shoulder tops, so I wanted to buy a strapless bra. I got it from Shein. I will put it right here, and I'm going to tell you, do not get it, okay? I would not recommend this because looking back at this video, my boobies look all smashed and crazy looking, and it's not really giving no support. And I wore this bra all day the other day, and let me tell you, it was rolling under, okay, my boobs by the end of the day. Not even the end. About an hour or two into wearing the bra, they were spilling out. I had to keep on pulling it up. So, no, I would not recommend this bra type, okay? But everything else I have, I think they're so cute. I love all my pieces. Very affordable. Very, very reasonable. So, let's go ahead and jump into this try on haul. This top and my bottoms I got from H&M. Excuse my bra right now. I'm wearing a strapless bra. You can wear a regular bra and your bra will not be showing in the back. I love the hole in the back. It just gives it a nice little cute little something fun in the back to look forward to. These pants, you can't see the bottom, but they are some high-waisted sweatpants with the wide legs at the bottom that is really trendy right now. The pants were $17.99 and the top was $12.99. If they're still available online, I will leave the links down below. But I love this cute little outfit. My sister brought this for me, matter of fact. In the summertime, hey Shein. In the summertime, I plan on wearing it on a cool summer night because they're not too thick. They're not really thin either. My next few tops are from Shein. If you've seen any of my previous hauls, then you know that if I find a top, bottom, whatever it is, and I really like it, I will repurchase it in all the colors that they come in. So I have a few of these tops in multiple colors. Okay, so this is from Shein. I forgot the exact price, but I'll leave it down below. No more than $7. And I like the material. It's giving nylon material, nice stretchy. And my pants are from Macy's. They say they were $50 for mom jeans. And they have the distressed look. I'm not sure where you live at, but where I live, the Macy's are trash. I'm sorry. I don't even shop at Macy's. I had a gift card. That's what brought me into Macy's. Cute. And I'm a tall girl, so most of my pants, either if they're not supposed to be anklets, they will be anklets on me, but these are supposed to be anklets. It's cut right here, like a cut look. Like I told y'all, I brought the shirt in different colors, so I have it in all black. Just the one a pair of black pants that I already had, just basic black jeans. But again, this top, so pretty. I'm a tall girl, I'm 5'8". And the sleeve is pretty long on me. Come all the way down. It's not 3/4 length. This sweater I got from Walmart. It's an extra large because I wanted it to be the big and baggy look. This was $16.98. Super, super cute. I love a super big cardigan or throw-on sweater. For those days when I don't want to wear a coat, I could just throw this on, put my scarf on and keep it moving. I love the texture. And the little animal print is so cute and nice and warm. It's giving her an animal realness. So freaking pretty. I love this. Nice and cozy. This is the last top that I have in this style. So this is a brown color and I paired it with my pants I got from Zara. I did get these last year, but they still have them in stock this year because I want to get the black ones. They're like stretchy pants and the bottom has a split in the front right here. So freaking cute. They're really long. Again, this is the last top that I have in this style. As you can tell, I freaking love this top. This past summer, I purchased one. Let me show you. I purchased this color. It's giving like a grayish purple color. I showed y'all this in my Shein haul. And I love this top. So that made me go back on the website and buy them in all colors. This is the last outfit. Had the same bottoms on but a different top. This top is from Shein. It's a half top, but the style is different. As you can tell, the texture, so pretty. Different material. More of a, I'm not going to say sweater, but it's more of a warmer material. It's something about the half, one shoulder look that I'm feeling this winter. This winter and this past summer. Come a little closer so you can see the texture of the shirt. Pretty. Texture is everything. So what y'all think about my pieces? I really do like every piece that I have, and the quality, I can't express it to you. It's really nice quality, even though every item that I have was fairly, to me, inexpensive. Really, really nice quality. Do you like any of the pieces that I have? If so, which one is your favorite? Let me know down in the comments below. If any of the items that I showed you today are still on the actual websites from the stores, I'll put them in the description box below, so you go ahead and click and find it if you want to. Again, some of these pieces I purchased a couple months ago, so I don't know if they still have them in stock. I should have put it on this top, but I didn't. But I did get these 2 CCs from Shein. I think they were $1.99. I got them because I wanted, initially I wanted to purchase the Chanel brooch, but when I looked up the price, it was just too much money for my blood for some costume jewelry. I'm not paying no $100 for no costume jewelry. That's just not happening. So I brought the 2 C's. I did put them on a jacket that I wore, a blazer. I just crossed them over top of the jacket, and it gave me the Chanel look that I was looking for. So I wasn't mad at it. For $2 a piece or $1 a piece, loved it. Yeah, so I just put them over top of each other, overlapped it like this on my blazer, and it gave me the Chanel look I was going for less than $5. Okay, cute. My man, he always saying, "Dang, y'all girls can get away with buying a $2 outfit and looking nice." Because let me tell you, I personally do not like to spend a lot of money on clothing. I don't know why. I would spend money on my bags or shoes, or even a couple dollars on a jacket. But clothing, I don't like to spend too much money on. Yeah, I just don't, because I feel like most places, if you get a high-end shirt, you see one, a cheaper store like a Shein or Forever 21 will make a replica of that same shirt. So why am I going to spend hundreds of dollars on a shirt where I could get it for $15 or less and it look the same? That's just my theory. So, and I do still find, like this shirt right here, I still find nice quality pieces that when I wash, it's not going to shrink or it's not going to fade. I can still have it for a couple years if I choose to. So just because I like to budget on my clothes do not mean that they're trash clothes or just really cheap looking. They're cheap for the pockets, but they're still nice quality, in my opinion anyway. I had a fun time recording this video for y'all. Fun fact, I love clothing. I really initially wanted to be a stylist because I really love mixing and matching pieces, textures, colors, but the last few years I just wasn't as passionate about clothing as I used to be. I used to be a real risk taker in my outfits. I thought I was a little edgy, or you know, I just loved my style, and I just fell off. Now I feel like I'm getting back into clothing and trying to find my style as I'm maturing. My style has definitely changed, so I'm just trying to find my rhythm and things, and I definitely will be doing more try on hauls or style videos, because clothing was something I was into before I was even into hair and makeup. I love putting pieces together. So anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.